Shellfish, packed with protein. The problem is getting into them. If he wants to eat, he must figure out how to do it for himself. It looks simple. But there must be more to this than meets the eye. And careful observation begins to reveal their secret. He notices each kind of shell needs a different type of stone, flat and heavy to pound loose shells. And so far, he hasn't cracked it. He needs to find a rock, just the right shape and weight. And that's not all. Shells are hard to keep still. Those in the know find somewhere to secure them. Then it's a matter of persistence. Until smashed it. With these newfound skills, he can now enjoy almost 50 different types of shellfish.